In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your data to rows and columns here in Google Sheets, transforming your array or your range into a single row or into a single column with the transpose function. But did you know that there are two separate functions to do that as well? We have TOCOL and TOROW. Let's try out those functions right here. So first, I want to transform this array into a single row. So I'm going to type here TOROW, where you have that same description. If I click on it, here we have the syntax where I can select the array or range that I want to transform into a single row. Let's select that right here. And if we press enter, we've successfully transformed that array into a single row. Now let's try and transform this row into a single column. And we're going to do that with the TOCOL function. So let's start our formula. Type in TOCOL. And there you have the description again saying it will transform a range into a single column. Let's click on that. There's your formula again, or your syntax, which is about the same. So let's select our range, press enter, and there we have it. So we're transforming ranges into single rows or single columns with those two separate functions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.